Hi guys, we're going to be opening the ODROID CloudShell2 Smoky Blue with the XU4 unit, which I ordered a couple of weeks ago from Hardkernel website. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight in. We're not going to be putting it together. That's going to be in a follow-up video, so make sure you stick around and I'll remind you at the end of this video, and I'll put the link in the description. So let's open this up. So there's my invoice, as you would expect. Extra bit of padding. Let's just chuck all this out, put it to one side, and then we'll talk through each of them. Ooh, let's try not to break it in the process. Okay, so let's chuck that away. Let's put that to the one side, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Okay. So first up, we've got the ODROID-XU4 Q. Not sure what the Q is. I didn't realise there was a Q in that model. But anyway, let's open this up. Let's get a bit of a zoom in so you can see better. So there's our unit. I'm so excited. So quick start. Well, a tour. That's your tour guide about your X4 unit, and we've got our XU4 unit here. So that's, am I going to be able to open it? Probably should use a knife of some sort, but I think tweezers would do. Well, I've got a knife. Bear with me, guys. Sorry about this. A bit disorganised. Let's see if I can do it with a screwdriver. I should have really had this together, shouldn't I? How not to open an anti-static bag, this should be. Okay, there we go. Rip that bad boy open. Put that rubbish to the side. Oh, it's nice, guys. So let's zoom in further, see if you can get a nice look. Very shiny, love it. Oh, the board's very, you can just see the shine. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So under there we've got our. See if I can zoom in even further. If it's going to focus, is it going to focus? Yeah, is it going to focus? There we go. So we've got our eMMC there. Got our SD slot, and got loads of different components there. And then on the side we've got our micro SD. Oh, you can't even see. Our HDMI, our SD socket, DC socket, our USB socket, our Ethernet socket, and we've got various interface cables here. USB 3, which is a major compared to other type devices which only have USB 2, and we've got a little power button there, and we've got an interface connection going on there, which I assume will be for the CloudShell2. So let's zoom back out again. Let's put that to one side, put it back in the box even, and see what else we've got. So I didn't order, with the XU4 you have various checkout options. I didn't buy the AC to DC adapter because you get one with the CloudShell2, which is a 15 let's zoom in on there, a 15 volt 4 amp AC to DC, which is 60 watts, which is more than enough. So put that to the side. Let's see what else we've got. So here we have the main circuitry for the CloudShell2. And is it going to focus? It's that should focus now. There we go. So we've got infrared socket there. Let's bring that down a bit. Got our USB free socket there. We've got a little button of some sort. Without reading the manual, I don't know. And we've got our RAID options there. I'll be using it in just a bunch of disks. And we've got two SATA connections. There's our interface cable for the LCD display. Don't need to touch that. And we've got a header for a 3-pin fan. Our interface cable will go in there and obviously go to the unit itself. We've got the DC adapter there, just there. So we won't be using the one on the X4 because power will go through the interface cable. And we've got various screw holes here and there, which will link up to the shell, hence shell 2. Let's put that to one side and see what else we've got. Got a pretty much OEM fan, no branding on it, so probably just going to be just bulk standard fan. And what else we've got here? We've got a bag of goodies. Let's zoom out. Got a USB cable, free. We've got an interface cable. We've got some type of header which looks like for the fan. Let's see if I can pick this up and give you a closer look. God, these tweezers are awful. Is it going to focus? Here we go. Yeah. Just very basic with a little resistor on there. And we've got the EMC reader. I believe it is the writer. I thought I ordered the writer. I'll have to check. But there's the... Is it going to focus? Come on. There's our reader, which is USB 3. So I'll just put that back in the bag and I'll show you the actual module I ordered. Put that over there. Try and be delicate with this. Let's use my hands, I don't want to drop this. So there's the EMC reader as you would expect. I've got the Ubuntu version and it's a 16 gig. And I'm probably going to have 1,000 comments. That's not how you say Ubuntu. But anyway. And it's got a bag of screws. And lastly, the CloudShell2 plastic Udemy things which will build the case. It does come with the plastic which needs to be peeled off. We've got a fan guard, some kind of side thing where you can plug stuff in. The back maybe, don't know. And I think that's for some kind of latch of some sort. And we've got our sides, which will obviously go something like that. I will do a follow-up video. This opening is now done. I'll link in the description the building of this unit, and possibly I'll do a follow-up to that with actually setting up the Linux for streaming to my Kodi box. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.